In this video, we are learning how an internet banking user can do online nomination. Type www.onlinesbi.com in your web browser. By clicking on the first link, you will see this page. After clicking on login, you will see this page. After continue to login, you have to enter your username, password and CAPTCHA and then click on login. Your name will appear, your account number will appear. Then there is one hand shape, click on that. After clicking on that, you will find request and inquiries option. In request and inquiries option, online nomination option is there. When you click there, you will find register, inquire, cancel nomination. What you have to do is register. But first we want to inquire about this. So click and confirm. There's no nomination. So now we have to click on register nomination. This form will appear. You have to fill all the details and accept the terms and conditions, then submit. Enter the high security password. This way the nomination is done successfully.